Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you how to measure investor sentiment with the help of a candlesticks. In my previous lecture, I explained you how to draw candlestick charts using Microsoft Excel. While drawing a candlesticks, you need to have data for open, high, low and close prices. Now, to measure the investor sentiment, whether the investors are optimistic about the market or pessimistic about the market, we'll include volume to this data. In the sense, along with the four prices, that is open, high, low, close, we also use a volume, that is the number of trades happened on that particular day, to measure investor sentiment. And in Excel, you can also draw this chart. I'll show you that. To get preliminary understanding about investor sentiment towards the stock price, we'll draw a chart where we use the volume, which indicates how the investors are taking a participation. Here we'll take the date, then open price, high price, low price, close price and number of shares. Number of shares indicates the volume. So I'm copying this with the Control C, placing them in a new worksheet, then paste here. Alright, now we'll freeze the panes by clicking a row, second row and a view, then freeze panes, freeze the panes. And to draw a volume open, high, low, close price chart, you need to place the volume, that is number of shares traded, in a first row. So we'll insert a row here by clicking on the column name, then click insert. A new row is inserted. Now we want to move number of shares, that is the volume, to the column B from column G to, so select the column G, place the cursor on this box and you will see that the cursor with the large plus icon transform to a small plus icon, and now move this. So the number of shares is moved from column G to column B. Now we have a date, number of shares, that is a volume, open, price, high, low and close. And we do this for 1 month. Select 1 month data, that is September 2019. After selecting the data, click on insert. Then go to a charts ribbon. Here in charts ribbon, click on a see all charts button. Then a new window opens. Here in a new window, click on all charts and then select the stock charts. Here in a stock charts, you will find a 4. The last one is volume open, high, low, close. So here you have a volume open, high, low, close. Click on this. Then once this gets selected, click OK. Now we'll expand this one to have a better view. So here you have a volume, that is number of shares traded on a particular day, and the candlestick charts here. So on the first day, this is a down day, or we can say that a negative day. On this particular day, the trade volume is low. It indicates that investors are optimistic about the market. That means even though it is negative, not much investors are traded. That means they didn't sell their stocks. On 4th September, you will see this is a white day or up day. That means a positive day, and you see that more number of investors purchased the shares. This indicates that investors are optimistic about this stock. And if you observe here, on up days, you will find more trading volume, and on a low days there is a less trading volume. So that means the investors are optimistic about this stock. This is how you can draw a candlestick with the volume data and have a preliminary understanding on investor sentiment about the particular stock. Thank you.